Alright, we're going to be making our first app. This is TouchDevelop. It's at touchdevelop.com. And this is a program that is kind of similar to Scratch, but instead of doing blocks, you're going to be using real code, actually typing in letters and numbers. This is the way real programs are made. So this is your first taste to doing a real programming language. You can make your apps for Windows, Android, or iTunes in this, so it's really handy. So the first thing you're going to make is this little monster game where you tap on the monster and make him jump in the air. You can use anything you want, any background you want. So you're just going to hit try it now. It's just going to walk you through it. Now you might need to save your work, you need to log in using Yahoo or your Gmail or your Windows or your Facebook. So if you don't have any of those, talk to your teacher and we can help you out how to get logged in so you can save your stuff. So you can name your game right here. Like that. And you're just going to click on let's do it. And you're following along. So you hear the codes. Instead of the blocks, it's the typing. So you tap here to select it. It's telling you that here's the action. This is kind of like what tells the code to start. The first thing we're going to do is make the wall, which is the back of the phone, into a picture. So you're going to tap here to insert a wall. So you just need to pick a background picture. So we don't need this here. Tap here to get art. And we're going to search for some art. So you just pick one, like this desert. So you tap here to run the program. So now my program, all it is a background. So see, that's all it is. So we go back, then testing it out, because we'll constantly be testing this app. So you see you're going to be getting stars as you complete things. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding that it says the goal, the game starts. This starts our app. So this allows us to animate an object. So we're getting ready to put the character that bounces in. So we're going to get a new variable. So a variable, so we're going to add a sprite now, you know what those are. So this variable says when the game started, the monster's going to start bouncing. So let's add a sprite. It could be any picture that can be animated. So we're going to be adding a sprite now. So again, on the board, which is the game. We're going to find a picture. So you just keep on following along here. I'm going to stop after you get the monster in here, so just find anything you want. So I'm going to look for a cat, because you know I love cats. So here's the cat right here. Well, I'll do this little Nan cat looking. Nah, I'll do this cat. So we're going to make a variable for the cat. So you see that the variable sprite is a board. It's on the board. It's a picture. It's a cat. So just keep following. It tells you right here what's going on. So let's test the app one last time. So see, it's just a cat. It doesn't move yet because we didn't tell it to yet. We have a score. We have hearts. Nothing else yet. So nothing else quite yet. So just keep following along and you'll be making your first game.